Hello friends, how are you? How to earn money, the online platform, how to make money online platform, Instagram copywriting, earn money, the Fiverr marketplace. The lot of seller, Instagram copywriting, and the marketplace earn Fiverr. First copywriting for Instagram post website design. Instagram copyright refers to the practice of creating, engaging, and publisher writing content for post, caption, ad, and other potential matters on the social media platform Instagram. Instagram is a highly valuable platform. Instagram, they are according plain text and calculative. Instagram text is calculate for caption, attention, conversing message, and encountering user interaction. When it is come, the Instagram copywriting, here are some key considers and strategy. Coins and capability, caption, Instagram caption should be attention, grab, writing, or the complete user read funnels. Use the completely hooks, question, stemming, pricing, engaging with your post. The relevant hashtag, including relevant hashtag in your caption, can help expert reach and individually reach incomplete popular hashtag than relevant content and industry targeted audience. Know your audience. Understanding your targeted audience essential for effective Instagram copywriting. Tailor your language, tone, and messaging recreation with specific audience, instant performance, and values. Highly the benefits and values of the product, service, content, offer, clearly communication, how it can solve problems. Enhance experience, meet the needed or audience, including a clear and completing call action and caption, promote user engagement, engage the take any specific action, such as a visibility or websiting, making purchase and land comments. Instagram provide an opportunity of tell stories and creative nature that caption and audience emotion, helping establish defense connect with your brand. Instagram is a visually different platform. It is a social media platform. The calculate and create harmonious balance between completely visual, the copywriting, caption, and attention. Instagram integrated platform engage with customer, solo bar, product, shows, build, scenes, action, and stories and drives traffic. But have you even been stock typing, caption, and others? Typing out the behinds of copy online the big backspace button and before him. The Instagram bio ideas, advertising and hashtag, use an email and make statement, call to action, those Instagram bio idea. You can potential followers and engage by having including the bios and Instagram. So friends, you are in Instagram copywriting, how to make money, how to earn money, the Instagram copywriting and Fiverr marketplace, just Fiverr address bar, search Instagram copywriting. The lot of seller offer the Instagram copywriting, just I am one seller open. His offer and I will be first copywriting for Instagram post and website. Okay, his offer. I have your experience, Badger, including etc. multi-writing, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, the all social media copywriting. The your basic $20, standard $30, and $50 premier. The lot of seller, I will sales and copywriting, sales product and panels, landing page, sales copywriting, etc. Lot of seller Instagram copywriting, the online platform. I will writing and social media copywriting, Instagram and Facebook copywriting, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Instagram. Lot of seller use offer the marketplace, the lot of platform, the social media platform is copywriting as like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, etc. But you are the very easy and best earning the online platform, very easy and simple job, the copywriting job. Copywriting job is very demand the marketplace and social media marketplace, local marketplace and international marketplace. The friends, you have the trying the copywriting job on online platform, offline platform. Thank you, best of luck. You can try and practice in Instagram copywriting and all over social media copywriting job, the search on Fiverr marketplace, Upwork marketplace. Thank you, best of luck. You're sharing your comment and your like. Thank you and subscriber.